Today, thousands of young people from around the country are standing up for their right to good health by telling big tobacco companies to stop marketing to them. Youth around the country are recognizing the 19th annual Kick Butts Day effort. Their rally cry is part of an annual campaign that demands that businesses like big tobacco companies and people like our elected officials do more to protect young people from products like cigarettes and smokeless tobacco.
I'm reading a magazine like GQ or something like ESPN, I sometimes find advertisements for cigarettes, which is ridiculous, but it shows how the tobacco industry markets to youth and tries to reel them in. And
according to the effort's officials, the young people involved in today's efforts are committed to not becoming part of the 18.1% of high school students who smoke every day and the more than 3,000 people every day who try their first cigarettes as kids.
It is an amazing statistic, but that 90% of all smokers took their first puff by the age of 18. These are just kids. That's why it's so important that we help young people to never start in the first place.
Today's national event marks the 50th anniversary of the first Surgeon General's report on smoking, which told us that smoking causes lung cancer and other deadly diseases. The new Surgeon General's report found that more than 5.6 million kids alive today will die prematurely from smoking if the current trend continues.
Fortunately, we know what to do to keep kids from smoking. If our elected officials will raise tobacco taxes, increase funding for tobacco prevention, and pass strong smoke-free laws, we will reduce smoking among both kids and adults. Our elected officials have to side with our kids, not big tobacco, and support these proven solutions to the problem.
6,800 kids become regular smokers each year in Alabama. More than 23% of Alabama high school students smoke, and that rate is higher than the estimated 18% of all Americans who smoke.